Hey guys, I'm not sure for phones in Nepal, and this is my full review of the latest mid-tier smartphone from Huawei, the Huawei Y7 Pro 2019. So without any further delay, let us get straight into the video. The Huawei Y7 Pro 2019 packs a 6.26 inches HD IPS display with a 19:9 aspect ratio. Though just HD, the images and text on this panel look great with amazing colors and sharpness. The notch makes an appearance in an all-new water drop style. The design change is a welcome overhaul from its last year's offering. And encasing the large display is a polycarbonate back sandwiched by a metallic frame. Although made from plastic, the phone has some premium elements to it. For one, the glossy finish at the back makes it look more like glass. It also comes with a gradient finish that adds an extra oomph in the design department. Needless to say, the Y7 Pro 2019 is one gorgeous looking device. One of the major highlights of the phone is its rear dual camera setup. It is made by a primary f1.8 13 megapixel and a secondary 2 megapixel depth sensor. This combo makes for quite a photography experience. The two sensors work in conjunction to produce some amazing pictures. Photos taken from the camera are eye-catching with great details, depth and vibrancy. That said, I do feel that images are a bit soft, especially in low-light situations. Speaking of which, the overall image quality gets a bit low in less than optimal lighting conditions. The images, however, can be somewhat improved using the onboard AI technology. Yes, the Y7 Pro 2019 comes with AI integrated into the cameras. This helps the phone take some better images even under the harshest conditions. The AI also helps take optimized photos as per the scene at hand, a great feature to have. The phone also flaunts an f2.2 16 megapixel front camera for all your social media ready selfies. Just like its counterpart, the front camera takes some great selfies during the daylight, but the nighttime shots are a bit off. To make up for that, Huawei has packed in a front LED flash, which does help somewhat improve the images. Overall, the cameras on the Huawei Y7 Pro 2019 are great, especially considering its price. One feature worth talking about is the inclusion of the fingerprint scanner or lack thereof. The phone sadly this time also has omitted the digit sensor. Luckily for this iteration of the Y7 Pro, Huawei has brought in the face unlock feature, and let me tell you, it works like a charm. Needless to say, I didn't miss the fingerprint scanner all that much. Moving on, talking about the performance, the phone was easily able to handle my day-to-day needs. This is all thanks to the included Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 processor backed by 3 GB of RAM. The phone also comes with an Adreno 506 GPU for better graphics performance. These combinations make up for quite a performer. That said, I do wish that Huawei had included a better processor with the phone. An in-house Kirin processor would have done wonders. Gaming performance on the other hand has been an okayish experience on the Y7 Pro 2019. It can easily run lower titles such as Subway Surfer and Temple Run 2 but lags a bit with more graphic intensive games. Needless to say, playing PUBG on this phone will be a bit difficult. You might want to turn down the settings for that. The Huawei Y7 Pro 2019 at the software front runs EMUI 8.2 based on Android 8.1 Oreo. The UI is smooth with no visible lags or stutters. One small pet peeve with the UI for me is the icon design. Thankfully, Huawei has included theming capabilities with the device. I was easily able to customize the icons to my heart's content, a nifty little feature to have. And finally, powering the device all up is a large 4000 mAh non-user removable battery. The battery life on this phone is great as it lasted me a good 5 to 6 hours of on-screen time on a single charge. That said, the phone this time too packs an old micro USB instead of a Type-C port. Although at this price range we can't expect everything, this inclusion would have been a cherry on top. Speaking of which, the phone in this iteration comes with a fast charger out of the box, which is a sweet deal. So in conclusion, the Huawei Y7 Pro 2019 is a great smartphone that focuses largely on its design and dual camera setup, and I can see just why. The phone looks absolutely amazing with its glossy gradient design, and the pictures from its camera are some of the best I've seen at this price range. Not only the design and the cameras, but the phone packs a complete package with a notched display, feature-packed software, great battery life and much more. There, however, are some shortcomings like the lack of a USB Type-C port and a digit sensor. Even though personally I don't miss the fingerprint scanner, many might argue otherwise. That said, the phone still packs a punch for what it is worth. For anyone looking for a great multimedia device which can take some mind-boggling pictures while looking gorgeous, then the Huawei Y7 Pro 2019 is a great option. So that's about it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. As well as, guys, it's been me, Salman, for Phones in Nepal, and I'll see you guys in the next one.